Hello, this is Michelle. Today we are going to draw a cute sleeping sushi. First, we set to draw the draft using studio pen under inking. We draw a cuboid as the rice part of the sushi. Then we draw another cuboid as the egg cake. Now we draw the seaweed on the top. Then we draw a sleeping emoji over here. Then draw the little hands on the top of the egg cake. Now we draw some wavy line around the body of the sushi as the shape of the rice. Now we draw the plate on the bottom of the sushi. We draw an ellipse first. When you hold your pen after drawing, the line will become really smooth. You can tap the ellipse button on top of the screen to adjust the shape. Now we start to draw a bottle of soy sauce behind the sushi. Then draw the sliced ginger beside the sushi. Next, we draw the wasabi on the plate. Then we can add some detail of the egg cake. Then I make some adjustment of the shape of the soy sauce bottle. Now we create a new layer down below the draft layer and start to draw the sushi. Tap 2 fingers on the draft layer to change the opacity to around 30%. Now we start to draw the sushi on a new layer. This is pretty straightforward, just draw all the lines really quick based on our draft. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you liked the video. It really helps the channel grow. The strokes of different parts can be painted with different colors. Now start to fill some color for the drawing. First, add some very light shadow for the rice part. Then add a yellow color for the egg cake. Then add a dark green color for the seaweed. Now for the ginger and wasabi. Then let's paint the soy sauce bottle. Use the warm gray color for background. After that, don't forget to draw the white color part. When you join the glass part of the bottle, you can reduce the transparency of that layer to make the material look more real. Let's draw some highlights now. Then we can draw some shadow. Then create a new layer to draw the texture of the seaweed. You can use the splatter pen and the spray paints. Great, we are done now! Thanks for watching. Smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time!